National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Eastland County in north-central Texas, Stevens County in north-central Texas, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Cisco, or near Cisco, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Breckenridge, Eastland, Cisco, Ranger, Hubbard Creek Reservoir, Lake Cisco, Necessity, Lake Olden, Caddo, Lake Daniel, Lake Leon, Concite, Palo Pinto Mountain State Park, Pleasant Hill, Carbon, Staff, Nimrod, Sabano, Eolian, and Harpersville. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 324 and 357. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.